When the Holy Vajra pill was installed in the Dharma Protector Chapel at the Shanghai Institute, a strange, shimmering, vortex-like light appeared with many brightly colored, diamond-shaped light forms. This first appeared when we introduced the pill to the Holy Vajra poles. The vortex and diamond lights were still present as we returned from the Protector Chapel. We first encountered these diamond lights on photos taken of a Hopi sculpture entitled Opening to the Spirit World, located in front of the New Mexico state capitol in Santa Fe. The other place we saw them was also in Santa Fe, at the site of a small stupa erected by His Holiness Drupchen Rinpoche, the supreme leader of the Nyingma sect, and consecrated by His Holiness Drupchen Rinpoche to mark the coming to America of Tibetan Buddhism. This was a special site that matched the description given by Guru Padmasambhava in his prophecy that when iron birds fly and horses run on wheels, the Tibetans would be scattered like ants all over the world, and the Dharma would go to the land of the red man. With the coming to America of His Holiness Dorje Chang Buddha III, that has happened.